Hi everyone. So today we're going to answer one of your questions that we've been getting quite a lot lately, and that's whether or not you can use a BFM with liquids, slurries or pastes. The answer to that question is yes, you can use a BFM in those applications, and we have customers all over the world who are doing that right now. So one of the main applications for liquids is CIP applications. In things like the dairy industry, cleaning is very important, and fluids and chemicals are pushed through the connector frequently to wash out the system. BFMs are used in those methods all over the world, and they perform very, very well. That is slightly different to processing with a liquid slurry or a paste. So if you're constantly processing with liquid slurries and pastes, there are a few things that you should consider before selecting a BFM for that application. The number one of those things is the viscosity of the fluid. The higher the viscosity of the fluid, the more optimal the BFM is going to perform. Things like slurries and pastes that have a higher viscosity and are a thicker fluid will perform a lot better when going through a BFM. You should also consider the head pressure in your BFM connector. So the more fluid that builds up in a connector, the higher the pressure inside. You want to keep that pressure as low as possible when you're working with lower viscosity fluids. But with higher viscosity fluids, you can have a higher head pressure and your BFM will still perform optimally. Thanks for watching everyone. And if you have any further technical questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.